Alright, fuck it, let's go.
Decided to come to Jollibee's. I've been wanting to come to Jollibee's for a while. Jollibee's first opened in the Philippines in 1978, and then it finally came to the United States, and it ended up in California, and they opened their first Jollibee's in 1998. So we're in Florida. We're lucky because there's one here in Florida, in our area at least. And Richard's already indulging in the fries. How are the fries, babe?
Honestly, pretty average fries.
Pretty average. So a popular Jollibee's dish is the Chickenjoy. So that's what we're gonna try. This is what it looks like. They have a biscuit. Got 2 regular and 1 spicy.
2 regular, 1 spicy. You can kind of compare this to KFC or Popeyes, but it's supposed to be a little bit better, so we're gonna put that to the test right now. Or Chick-fil-A.
How do you rate the chicken from 1 to 5, 5 being the best?
Very good crunch. Nice and juicy. This is a spicy leg, by the way.
How spicy is it?
Actually, not that spicy. It's bearable for those that don't like their food too hot. Very good seasoning. So I'm gonna give this like a 4.1 out of 5.
I'm gonna try the fries. The fries are average, but they still taste good.
So this is a spicy chicken sandwich deluxe. Kind of reminds me of Chick-fil-A. Try this baby out.
Oh my gosh, we didn't try the gravy. Their infamous gravy.
Infamous?
Yeah, a lot of people have this gravy. You should try it.
Okay, I'll try with a fry. Really good, but we have mashed potato there?
We don't have mashed potato. People just dip the... From what I've seen from the other videos, people just dip the chicken in the gravy. And they eat it like that.
So what's in those other 2? This is mac and cheese. And what's in that?
That's the spaghetti.
That's spaghetti? Alright. So this is a spicy chicken sandwich. Looks pretty good. Well breaded. Let's test this baby out. Jollibee signature sauce is pretty good.
It is. The biscuit is really good. How is it?
Really good. Chicken is nice and moist, not dry at all. It has a good crunch.
It's spicy, but it's bearable even for somebody like me that does not eat anything spicy.
The bread is nice and soft. Overall, very good chicken sandwich.
Better than Chick-fil-A?
I wouldn't take it that far, but very good chicken sandwich.
Was it worth the drive, Jollibee? We drove 30 minutes to get here.
Yeah, I would drive here again.
Really good. Look at that. Wow.
Now, although this is a fast food chain, not all the people in Philippines have the luxury of having this the way that we're having it every day. So when you do treat themselves, it's actually like a night out. to go out and have some Jollibee.
The B in Jollibee actually represents the working class in the Philippines, which is really nice. This was really good chicken.
What else we have left?
The mac and cheese and the spaghetti.
There you go.
That's the mac and cheese. And then this is the spaghetti.
I'm really excited for the spaghetti.
I'm really excited too.
I'm excited. Definitely has a different smell than most spaghetti.
What hit your taste buds first?
It's super sweet.
It is,
And you got these little pieces of what is it, sausage.
like meatballs, I guess.
Definitely very unique taste.
Let's eat the mac and cheese.
But it was pretty good.
It was good. Alright.
I'm already stuffed.
Let's try this one.
What the heck? It's kind of like a block. Just gotta break this up a little bit. Alright, not bad. Doesn't really look that appetizing when you open it. Alright. I'll try some. Probably my least favorite item so far on the menu. Spaghetti much better than the mac and cheese.
Wow.
Definitely not too excited about that.
I'm interested now. I'm not enjoying
It's kind of hard to mess with mac and cheese.
it. This is dangerous for somebody like me that's lactose intolerant. Too much cheese.
I mean, it is mac and cheese though.
I don't know, but there's
That's
some mac and
That's like
cheeses.
ordering a burger and saying there's too much burger.
Yeah, but
Okay.
yeah,
There you go.
that was a miss. That was a miss.
This spicy chicken sandwich deluxe is definitely hit the spot. I'll make the drive down again to have it. So, for all of this food, we got a spicy chicken sandwich deluxe, fries, 3-piece chicken, spaghetti, mac and cheese, and we did have a drink. Where's that drink at? What's the name of this drink?
The pineapple quencher.
Pineapple puncher?
Quencher.
Oh, pineapple quencher, my bad. $36 for all of this.
I love pineapples. Let me see how this tastes. Oh my goodness. It tastes so refreshing.
Definitely tastes like pineapple.
It's delicious.
One thing I did notice though, if you do eat KFC or Popeyes, it isn't as greasy. A lot less grease. Don't know how to do it, but that's a huge plus. Alright. I enjoyed it for the first time.
Highly recommend Jollibee.
We'll come back again.
It has a little hype, but the hype is well deserved because it is good.
For fast food spot, you can, can't go wrong.
Yeah.
If you was to compare this to Chick-fil-A, KFC, Popeyes, where is this gonna rank on your
On my list,
1 to 4? Number 1 being the best.
number one being the best, oh my gosh.
For me, it's Chick-fil-A.
For me, it is Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. Then I would put Popeyes in there. I have to put Popeyes. And then my third would be Jollibee.
Yeah, for me, it would be Chick-fil-A. Well, this was my first time. I think I'm going to go with Jollibee as his number second. Only because you get, one, I think you get a lot of value for your money. You get a good portion. And it's not as greasy. Definitely not as oily. Then probably KFC, then Popeyes.
One thing I was disappointed in was the mac and cheese.
Yeah, it looked like that mac and cheese might have been there for a little while. And we got one of the old ones. Not too sure, but...
It came, we saw, we tried it. It was great.